You're about to pick an attorney who is going to ruin your life, wreck your relationships, and milk you for every penny you've got. But it doesn't have to be that way. Before you make the worst decision of your life, please let me give you 4 tips to help you hire the right attorney and avoid the heartache I've seen too many people go through. And trust me, the last one is the most important. Let's start with this. You're not the first person to hire a lawyer. Good law firms know that. They're literally built to handle calls from people who are overwhelmed, confused, and scared. So don't feel like you have to speak legalese when you call. You're not going to be quizzed. You don't need to know what a TRO is or how to cite a statute. A good lawyer knows how to talk to real people because that's who we serve. You're not supposed to come in with the answers. That's our job. The wrong attorney will expect you to know exactly what you need when you call. All you should need to know when you call are the circumstances you're facing and your desired outcome. Lawyers are in the service industry. Just like a doctor, mechanic, or a contractor, you are hiring us to solve a problem. And when you're the client, you deserve professionalism, respect, and empathy. Yes, we went to law school, but that doesn't mean we get to be arrogant or talk over your head. I subscribe to the belief that manners mean more than profit. When you walk into a law firm, pay attention to how you're treated. Are they listening? Are they patient? Do they have the heart of a teacher and explain things clearly? If not, turn around and walk out. A good attorney makes you feel heard. A great attorney makes you feel like you're their only client, even when you're not. Most lawyers won't say this, but I will. You're not there to be your lawyer's client. Your lawyer is there to serve you. Let that sink in. If you meet with an attorney who acts like they're doing you a favor just by taking your case, run. You deserve better. Any lawyer who treats you like you're beneath them is not someone you want to hand your future to. That mindset matters. A lot of lawyers treat clients like case files. They want to churn through as many as they can. That's not representation, that's a transaction. Look for a lawyer who's focused on what you need, not what's easiest for them. Choose someone who respects your time, your money, and your goals. Someone who cares. Click the like button to tell YouTube that you care. The absolute best advice that you'll ever hear in finding an attorney is to find an attorney you feel comfortable talking to. Sure, you may be able to find an attorney who is cheaper, who has more experience, or who holds a more prestigious resume, or who will promise you the world. But in the end, you'll be thankful if you have an attorney that you can talk to. The same holds true for every type of case imaginable. If you're in a personal injury case, how much will it help your case if you're not comfortable telling your attorney what actually happened? If you're going through a bitter divorce, you're going to have to share some of your family's deepest secrets with your attorney. If you're building a business, you're going to have to be painfully honest with your attorney on the financial status of your business. Long story short, you can use your social media for sharing the bright, sunny, and happy side of your life, but your attorney needs to know everything if you want the best advice. How easy is that to do if your attorney doesn't make you feel comfortable sharing these details without judgment? You should never feel confused or in the dark about your own case. If your lawyer makes you feel that way, it's time to look elsewhere. When choosing an attorney, choose the one that you feel comfortable talking to. You might only hire an attorney once or twice in your life, but those choices can shape everything that comes after. Your family, your finances, your freedom. So choose wisely. Do they treat you like a human? Do they explain things clearly? Do they put your needs first? And above all, do you trust them to walk with you through whatever challenge you're facing? We cover topics like this every week, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Then check out our courtroom procedures playlist for dozens of videos to help your testimony, body language, and attire for your upcoming hearing.